So, just got this in the mail from Nengun. Open this up. So, hey. Look at that. HK's radiator cap, just you gotta look stylish. And then I also got got a Nismo mount, short shifter, Nismo short shifter. This is a short shifter. Well, I guess this is how you're supposed to install it. So, yep. Looks pretty simple. So I'm gonna install this. Alright, so let's first take off the shift knob. Then we're gonna pop this off. And then take this. And then there's just 10 mils that we gotta remove. I might need to use a Phillips actually. So this is stock shifting. So this is how it feels, how long the throws are, stock shifter. So we'll see how it is when we put the short shifter on. Hopefully it's different. Let's take that off. Just gotta take that C-clip off. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. It's the most annoying clip ever. So that should come off. Here's the old one. Well, I don't see the difference between these, actually. What the heck? I wonder what the difference is. The heck? Okay, it feels the same. Yeah, that's weird. What the heck?
I'm chasing witches in the street. I'm the last page in your book. Can't write a song, only 2 hooks. Watching horses in the fields.
So that's weird. Because it doesn't even feel like it changed it. That's so weird. it feels exactly the same. That's weird. What the fuck? Alright, well, I'm gonna change this ugly radiator cap. Like that. And put in the new HKS one. Yeah. Nice. That's good. That's good. Nice. At least that's something good. Okay, so let's see. I don't really feel a difference in this shifter, honestly. Like, I guess it's 10% shorter. I mean, I don't know. I can't really feel the difference, to be honest. It feels the same, which is kind of disappointing, but hey, I mean, I guess I just replaced that one boot because on the old one it's ripped. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. That's kind of disappointing. I don't know. Maybe when I'm driving, it'll feel different. But okay, so I've been driving with the new short shifter, and there is a difference. When you're shifting into gear, it's much tighter and it feels much more like it's going into gear much better. So it's actually pretty nice, actually. I like it. It's much more like, you know that you're going into gear, and you know that when you shift it, you're in gear. So it's pretty good, actually. Yeah, this one still has the OEM feel when you shift, but it's just much tighter, which I actually like it. It's pretty good, honestly. It feels more confidence when I'm shifting, especially when I'm like heel towing. It's a much better feeling. So this short shifter just tightens all that up, which is honestly really good. I really like that feel. So my first impressions when I installed it, I thought it was I was like, what the fuck? Why does it feel the same? But yeah, now driving, I can actually feel the stiffness of it, which is pretty good. So yeah, I mean, I would like that more shorter throw, but you know, I am used to like the stock throw, so I don't really have to get used to it, which is nice. But yeah, it's just really nice. Really nice throw, and much more firm going into gear, which is really nice. So I ended up getting a test pipe. Look at that. Wow, Megan racing. Yeah, I ended up getting a test pipe because the other day I was trying to fix a rattle on my exhaust that I was having on the exhaust tip and the tow hook. And trying to take off the exhaust, I snapped the bolt right here on the cat. So I mean, yeah. No replacing that. So I just ended up buying a test pipe. I was trying to get a high flow cat, but yeah, they're more expensive than just buying one of these. So I just ended up getting one of that. So far, I just took off the cats. Pretty easy. They're both 17s on this side. So yeah, I'm gonna install this Megan one. Alright, so I got the new test pipe in. It's pretty easy. Luckily it comes with all the hardware and gaskets. So yeah, I'm just gonna turn on the car now and see how it is. Okay, so I didn't record how the car sounded with the test pipe. So this is what it sounds like now. driving, but if I do step on it, like at first or second, it is pretty loud. That's stupid loud. Stupid loud. That test pipe did make it a little bit louder, so I'm sorry for all the people who have to hear my loud exhaust. But cruising in 5th gear is it's pretty fine. Doesn't sound any different. I guess the drone is a little bit less, you can hear less of the drone. Sounds now. It's alright. I mean, it's a little louder. I don't really mind it for now. Maybe I'll put a resonator down the line or a muffler.